Hey guys, it's me, the Pometnov, and today I'll teach you how to build Mangle out of Lego. This build is very cool looking and also pretty amazing. As you can see, I used this similar head from Weathered Foxy for Mangle, and it also as well has this bow tie and a little extra head. Anyways, let's get right into the tutorial. Anyways, now that that's finished, let's complete Mangle. Let's first take the legs and connect it to the torso right here. Like this. Okay? Now we take the heads and the necks and we put them right here. Okay, now I'm gonna have to put Mangle, I'm gonna have to move its legs to make it balanced. But you get the, okay, there, yeah, I made Mangle balance. Anyways, this, in my opinion, I really enjoyed building this, and I would really also enjoy if you subscribe to my channel, because these tutorials are like no other Lego FNAF tutorials, so I'll be very kind of you if you subscribe to my channel, or shared it with your friends. Anyways, I'll see you in the next video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and comment, and subscribe for more Lego FNAF videos. Right now, I'm doing mostly FNAF 2, so put in some ideas that I can build, okay? I'll see you in the next video. Bye!